why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh, I want to see Zhuhai. Please, why don't you show me Zhuhai?
Okay, so we're at the Zhuhai Mall, Huafa Mall, which is the largest mall, and there's a nice Starbucks right there, right in the water too. It's so cool. Little walkway right there. We're gonna start here. Let me give you a little tour. Let me give you a little idea where we are. Right over there is skyline a little bit, and Baishan Village is over there, which is a really nice space. So my last few videos were over there of Zhuhai. There's some taxis coming in right over there. And we're going to be walking outside, but then inside the mall to give you an idea of Huafa Mall in Zhuhai, right next to Macau. Stay tuned. Zhuhai, Huafa Mall, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. The music is something from AI, there's the lyrics, and we'll just get right back into the mall. So let's let you see it as if you were there yourself. Yeah, pretty cool. These fountains do light up. So yeah, it's a little bit of a coffee shop right there. And we're gonna be walking into the mall. Here's Huafa, it's all lit up. It's a little bit of an indoor-outdoor mall. So it's kind of beautiful design. And I always see lots of different stuff going on outside, so they'll have like a little shows and stuff like that. There's another spot over there where you can go underground, but I'm gonna go directly towards the mall itself because I want to go inside the main one. You can see some second story stuff upstairs. And we're just gonna go right towards it, right into this big mess of people. And my goal is to kind of give you an idea what Huafa looks like. Oh, it looks like they got some dogs here, so they're doing something with dogs. Huh. Huh, don't know. Huh. Oh, now we're in the mall, so we're actually in the mall. I was wondering, there's all these people in here. There's an H&M, so to kind of give you an idea. Oh, they're doing some kind of pet thing. So that's what that's all about, okay. Okay. So yeah, we were outside, right? And now we're inside. There's no door. Which makes this mall pretty cool. So we're gonna walk. There is actually an inside part too, but this is actually a little bit indoor-outdoor. So you can see yeah, all kinds of cats and dogs in here today. So a little contained space for them. Okay. So I'm just gonna give you a taste of the mall. So we're just gonna walk in a little bit. And I'm gonna go upstairs because it's you can get like some of the buildings and things like that, like the skyline. So we're gonna do that. See the people walking up. So we're gonna go upstairs as well. Then we can also get some of the rooftop and the different stuff here. There we go. Nice view there. Okay. So now we're up on the second story. Got some foods, durian. That's kind of the outdoor, or the view from down below, but you also have the nice rooftop. And there's kind of restaurants all the way down here as well. And I'm just giving you a taste. Of course the mall is much bigger than this, but there we go. Different cuisines, lots of restaurants in this one. Lee. So I'm gonna get a view of the outside of where we just came in, and then we're gonna go inside over there to those doors. So we're kind of indoor outdoor right now, which is kind of nice because this Zhuhai is pretty far south, South China. So we're going to come over here and take a look at, you see the dog part, all the pet stuff. Superpower store, okay, some kind of promotion, I guess. Puffing up a storm. Okay, so we're gonna walk over to this side. And that's where we came in. So you can see we're still outside, there's no window right here. The Starbucks that we walked by. And there's even a rooftop at the Starbucks so you can sit up upstairs, overlook everything. Okay. Nice architecture everywhere. Okay. Then you can see in the building, in the background, you can see some mountains and some lots of skyscrapers and apartments and such like that. And if we could look through the building, which you kind of can over there. So over there, there's some more, you can see this, and then there's some more apartments over the top. So we're going to meander into the mall part. We are in the mall part, but we're going to walk into the room air-controlled one. And what I mean by that is they got doors here, so if they wanted the air conditioning this part, they could. Of course, the stores would be air conditioned anyways, but this would be what do you call it, room controlled, air controlled, air room controlled. Then you can keep going upstairs as well. I'm just gonna meander a little bit into here, but not too much. Yeah, this is all just kind of more typical mall stuff. But I think I kind of like the outdoor one. There's Muji. So we're gonna go back on here because I kind of like it more. And more than anything, we're just giving you a taste of the mall. So now you got a taste. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, but I will end it here. So this is the Huafa Mall in Zhuhai. Gives you a little taste of what it looks like. And I'm actually gonna go into H&M, so that's my plan. Okay. Hope you like that one. Size to Zhuhai for you.